This is the sun rising bedding. You can see it's kind of textured on the top. Let me show you how comfortable it is. The bottom side of the mattress has these dimples to prevent it from sliding or moving. And you can unzip the cover from the mattress if you need to wash the cover. You can see that there's 2 layers to the mattress. This bottom layer is where you get your firmness, and then this top layer that's smaller is where it's just really soft, and this is the cooling side, so this helps keep things nice and cool and soft. So you've been sleeping on this mattress. Now what do you think of it?
I love it. It's so comfortable. It's comfortabler than Mom and Dad's bed.
Oh, it is.
I was going to their bed all the time. But now, I love this bedding, so I sleep in it.
This is a really comfortable mattress. Our son's been going to our bedroom and sleeping on our bed because he doesn't like his bed. Our bed's so much more comfortable, so we got this, and he's been sleeping on this because this thing is really, really nice. This mattress was sent to us so we could do this review. I'm very impressed with it. Everything about it is just nice. It came really well packaged. It didn't have any smell at all when we unpackaged it.
And that's why I love it, that I want to sleep on it every single day, even when I'm in heaven.